market. So CoinGecko is get most relevant, therefore that is in the top. Okay, I entered that thing in here. So here is our CLEX token. We are seeing that price 1 CLEX equal 0.04 on. Okay, little bit. So if you want to know where this token is listed, which marketplace, which exchange, which decentralized exchange, feel free to just click on this market tab. Okay, here what you are seeing, here is their market. This is like decentralized. Okay, so here is they listed on what is that called, Swap DAX. Okay, Galaxy WBR, Galaxy WBR. And if you want to do any exchanger, one exchanger Galaxy is already listed, it's a Bitrue. Okay, Bitrue. However, if you want to know about more, just search on coin. Okay, Toby. Okay, Toby, this one. Okay, so we are here. We're gonna see that where this token is listed, everything. Okay, so if I click on this market button, it will be pop up like Toby token is listed on just in DEX. Okay, so let's say you want to know more about this thing, go to news, and CoinGecko will provide you news about Toby. Okay, same info, more info about Toby. Okay, contract address, website, explores, community, search on Twitter, API, chains, categories, everything you will see on OnePlus. Okay, CoinGecko. Okay, if I search on share written by another token, its name is Dev. I get on Airdrop. Dev token, Dev velocity. Okay, and cryptocurrency, $23 still market price. I get 7 Dev token. So now if I show that their market, this is just on listed on an exchanger. It is Bitmart. Some people get this Toby token, this Dev token from Airdrop, included me. I get 7 Dev token. So if I paste 7 Dev, 161 dollar Rothwell token I get. Okay, so that token is not yet appropriate for sending. Okay, there will be pop up here if you see the Dev, but I cannot send this token. I'm showing you. Okay, so if I go to Bitmart for taking the address of Dev from Bitmart, what will happen, you will see at the time. Okay, we are here. I'm rich here, 0.54 cent, just joking. Okay, so I'm gonna go asset and here search on Dev. Okay, because we see on CoinGecko that Dev is listed here. Okay, I'm just showing you how can you use CoinGecko. How do you find out the token where this is listed? So if you noticed here that this token is listed on, if I go to market option, and this token is listed on sorry, listed on Bitmart, and we have Bitmart app, Exchanger, and here is dev. So I wanna do deposit. Click on, okay, copy this address, come into Bitmart, and here just paste your thing, select all. I wanna select all, confirm. What happened? You can see what happened. Password, which is sent, transaction verification in progress, available verification time 1 minute. So it is not yet able to send because it is pasting on 100 day later I can send this thing. Okay, very simple, straightforward, and you can find out this thing. I already tried, it is failed. Okay, failed to send. It will be work later. Okay, I just receive appropriate way, but I'm not able to send this thing. Okay, very simple. How do you find any token on here? Okay, so whatever token you wanna search or anything you wanna see that, okay, about cryptocurrency, you will see everything in one place. That number one token is Bitcoin, number two Ethereum, number three is Tether USDT, number four BNB, number five Solana, USDC, XRP, Lido, Toncoin, Dogecoin, everything. Cardano, Shiba Inu, Evalence, Tron, Rupt, Bitcoin, Polkadot, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, Near, a lot of token here is existent. So countless, so on and so forth. Okay, pretty simple, straightforward. You really can do that. So anyhow, you can find out any token from here. Okay, so this is the CoinGecko. If you want to know more about coin market, here we go. Click on that coin market cap domain name, and they will bring you inside of the coin market. And here same thing, the interface is slightly different than CoinGecko, but material is same. Okay, but concept is same here. Whatever token you wanna see, click on here, search, like let's say I wanna see dev. Okay, dev develo. Okay, so that is not listed on coin market. If you want to know about, like, okay, Galaxy, yeah, you can check, you can check this thing, Galaxy, the Social Curators Foundation. Galaxy, they curated their token. You are seeing here, like, I have these apps. If I show you this one, Galaxy, so they are curated their token blockchain. It is for, like, there's a curator for them. I'm showing you. So it's look like this. Okay, straightforward, easy to do. Okay, okay, the same thing. This is a wallet, and if I do swap this token. What happened? Let me see. NFT transaction address book backup wallet covered NFT buy crypto send and receive transaction. So on 598 it's nothing. Okay, it's nothing, pretty much nothing, not $1. Okay, so if you wanna see market, tap on here, tap on here. Here is market. So it show up tax, but anyhow there is lot not so much. Like if I convert 598 0.0, okay, if it would be like this amount would be amazing, but not, unfortunately. 598 nothing. Anyhow, so this is the thing, how do you check out your token? If you get any token, just check out like this way, nothing else, nothing complicated, easy to do. Okay, so see you later in the next